Hey guys, how are you? Hope you are fine and well. Today in this video I will tell you what is DevOps. So we start journey on DevOps. So what is DevOps? DevOps is a mixture of two things, that is dev and ops. Basically dev means development and ops mean operations. So development plus operations is called DevOps. So in development what you can do? Planning and coding. Number 2, building applications. Number 3, testing features with all perspectives. Okay, in version control in development phase, and in operations phase you can do deployment. Number 2, infrastructure management. Number 3, monitoring and support. And number 4, security and compliances. So basically DevOps is equal to development plus operations working together seamlessly. So in next you can see why is DevOps required. So every software company, why DevOps required? So DevOps basically do fast delivery, continuous integration, better quality, enhanced collaborations, cost reduction, improved security. So in this video I will test you basic things, but in next videos I will do I will tell you in details. Okay, so in fast delivery mean reduce time to market from month to week or days. So in continuous integrations, automated testing and integration prevent bugs. So in this continuous integration you can do automation during testing and prevent bugs and do integrations. So in better quality, automated testing and monitoring, improved reliability. So enhanced collaboration, breaking down silos between development and operations. So in cost reduction, efficient resources utilization and reduced manual work. So you can use automation, so manual work is your reduced. So improved security integrated throughout the development life cycle. This is the examples of DevOps. So Netflix, Tesla and Amazon. So assessment and planning, cultural transformation, tool implementation, CI/CD pipeline. So in assessment and planning, evaluate current process, identify bottlenecks and set goals. So this is your first where you can do the work. So first of all you evaluate your current process, number 2 identify bottlenecks, and number 3 your set goals. In number 2, culture transformation, foster collaboration, break down silos, promote shared responsibility. Okay, so you can divide projects in chunks. So in tool implementation, choose and implement appropriate DevOps tool. In number 4, CI and CD pipeline, automate build, test and deployment process. These three things, yani automated build, test and deployment process. So in number 5, monitoring and feedback. Essential DevOps tools. So which tool that is necessary for DevOps? That is version control, Git, GitHub and GitLab. So for CI/CD, Jenkins, GitLab, CI, GitHub Actions. Okay. In containerization, Docker, Kubernetes, Podman. In monitoring, Prometheus, Grafana, Elk and Stack. Cloud platform, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. And in infrastructure as code, Terraform, Ansible, CloudFormation. So these things are essential of development tools. So in development pipeline in actions. So what is pipeline in DevOps? So in code, build, test, deploy and monitor. So first of all, code, developer write the code, automated compilation in builds, testing form, automatic testing, deployment, automatic deployment, monitor, continuously monitoring. These 5 things is most important. Automation in build form, Automation is also in testing form. Automation is in deployment form. So continuous monitoring. So these 5 things in pipeline of DevOps. So we are ready to start your DevOps journey. In next step, start small with CI/CD. Choose the right tool. Focus on culture first. Measure and improve. Learn continuously. These 5 things is most important to learn the DevOps. So key takeaways: DevOps accelerate delivery, collaboration in curricular, automation reduce errors, monitoring ensure quality, culture drive success. So previous video I will tell you how to install Ubuntu in VirtualBox. So you can see this video and install Ubuntu in your VirtualBox. So in next video I will tell you about commands that are using Ubuntu terminal. So subscribe and share my channel with your friends and colleagues. Bye.